What's the problem?
Turkey, sir. Crew to not one! Get out of there! Help me! Please take my hand!
Well, I should say they've succeeded, eh?
Well then.
Oh dear.
You did just now.
Officially reprimanding self for security breach. Ow! That's our mission.
Not survive, right? Oh! 3 days! That's it! I promise. You can all hold out.
Yes, we can all hold out!
Except for Clancy. But he was sick on the boat, so that's not on me.
We better be. Chances of survival are almost zero.
Wait, you never said anything about...
That's on a need-to-know basis, sir.
We have talked about this. That food is for the coming feast with the Wampanoag Indians.
But we're hungry.
All hungry.
The Great Turkey, terrible name for an imaginary friend, right?
Hey, everybody. Welcome. Giant egg. Looks delicious.
Very powerful. It will you see, you must never give up. Ever. No matter what.
What a personality.